Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about how to make a slider. The last video I showed you about that project slider, about that slider. Today we're gonna actually learn how to make the slider. Okay? So the first step, it's so easy. So easy. Putting the as TK. Then after that, okay, we just create the window. Window equals to tk dot tk. You know how to do this. This is easy for you guys. Window dot title. Um, Slider. Okay. Window dot geometry. Okay, the size is the average screen size, so the normal screen size for this is 640 x 430. So what we can say here is 640 x 430. Then window dot config. Config means configure, it's just a short way. BG equals the background BG, which is a background color. We can say silver for this time. Okay? So config, it means like the configure. It means like just, how do you say that? The background color of the window. What color do you want for the window? So you know what I mean? Anyways, now here is where we start the slider. So slider equals a tk dot scale. Slider, slider, it basically means like it's a scale. It's like from your starting number to your ending number. It's like that. So window, comma. I think we've done this before from, if you, I think some of you guys can relate this from 0, comma, 2 equals to 100, and then comma, length equals to 200. This means it's going to choose any number from 0 to 100. Then slider dot back. Then window dot main means it's going to run the code. If you don't do window dot main loop, right, then it won't run the code. Anyways, refresh connection. And see, this is our slider. So, by default, the slider is going to be vertically. But instead of default, the slider is going to be horizontally. How do we make it horizontally? Orient equals to tk dot horizontal. And horizontal, the whole thing of horizontal has to be capital. Horizontal, comma. Okay? Horizontal. Oh, comma. I put a comma there by accident. So see, now it's horizontal. Now we have a slider. Now I'm gonna give you a question. Okay, I mean I'm not gonna give you a question, but now let's say the slider, because it's just a normal slider, let's just add some more fun things to it. Like, let's say I want to do any number choosing from 0 to 100. We pick that number, then press the submit button. Then a message box will pop up showing your number. An example. So we did slider.pack. Okay, now we need to make a button. button equals to tk dot button text equals to submit. Okay. Then button dot pad y is 10. That easy. Now we have to do comma command equals to not display. Okay, yeah, display. Now create our function, display. What we do here, we've done this like many times, so you know what to do here. Okay? What we're gonna be doing is, let's say we have a number. Let's just make a variable number. Then you know this. You should know this. Okay? Slider dot what? Get. We've done this like many times before. So this should be easy for you. Message box dot show info. You know what message box is, okay? It's easy. Why is there 3 S's? Yeah. From data import. What did I do? What did I do? From data import message box. So we can copy. Control C. Control V. I think this is the correct spelling. Message. This should be the correct spelling, okay? Anyways, numbers, our title, comma, string formatting. Okay, we say number here. Now if I run it, it does 39. 0 does 0. 100. Now let's make this like more sensible because this doesn't make any sense. Let's add here a variable, okay? So if we want to do that, we have to give our slider some pad y, give it 10. Okay, here we have make the label. Label equals to tk.label text. Hi. Yeah, say hi to my brother. You guys haven't seen him in a long time, right? Okay, and he's back here again. Guys, I leveled up the yellow couch, but I'll show you. Okay. Anyways, text equals to choose a number from 0 to 100. That's it. Then label the pack. Wow. Pack. Find a capital P there. This should be good enough. Now this makes more sense, right? If I say 50 for once, like 50. Yeah, 50. 50. If I choose 11, 11. Let's see, I choose 66. It's like that, okay?